In this video, I'm going to be going over the 4 different types of cryptocurrency wallets that you need to know, and you need to know if you should trust it or not. Okay, so number 1 are exchanges. I'm going to be going in order from least secure to most secure. Okay, it just depends on your preferences and how you want to participate in cryptocurrency, but these are the 4 different ways that you can store. Number 1 is on an exchange. Number 2 is in a software wallet. Software wallet, that can be on your computer, that can be on your phone. Third way is offline via hardware wallet, also known as cold storage. This is cold storage, exchanges are hot storage. And then fourthly would be offline but on paper. Okay, so an exchange. Coinbase is an exchange. So a lot of you guys are going to get started with Coinbase. That is an exchange, okay? Why do you not trust an exchange? Well, all the hacks that really happen in cryptocurrency are on exchanges. Coinbase is very reputable. I'm not just saying that they're bad or that they will get hacked in the future, but a red flag in cryptocurrency is keeping your crypto in an exchange long term. If you're just trading, that's fine. You make your trades, get out, that's fine. But if you're holding your money in an exchange long term, you do not have access to your private keys. And if the exchange goes into maintenance, which they do, then you're not able to get your cryptocurrency out and you're stuck. Okay? So if you don't like them holding your money, that's perfectly fine. It's called hot storage because it's hot on the exchange. Okay? A software wallet. This includes computers and on your phone. Okay? So this is the least secure, the exchanges. Excuse me, I went from least secure to most secure. So the exchanges are the least secure way to store your crypto. The second least way, or the better way to store your crypto, would be on your computer or on your phone. And this is very, very popular. These two are actually very, very popular. But software wallets, you're able to use it and send it anywhere you want. So this also is, it's from least secure to most, but it's also from ease of use. Okay, so least secure, most secure, and then easiest to use to not as easy to use. Exchanges are hot storage. They're only easy to use because you're able to transfer with different cryptocurrencies. You're able to do any trade that you want. Software, another easy way to use cryptocurrency, because if you're checking out at a store, you're purchasing something online, you're sending it to your friends, you just pull out your phone, get out your computer, have them scan the QR code, you scan the QR code, and you're set. Offline, hardware wallets, okay? These look like little thumb drives, okay? They look like little flash drives, or they have a cable that connects to the computer itself. That's a keyboard and a trackpad, you get it. Cable that'll plug in like via USB and will plug into the wallet. Now these cold storage wallets are honestly the most popular, but these two are very, very close. They're cold storage, which means your wallet cannot get hacked. Okay, there's no malware, there's no nothing. You cannot get hacked as long as you do it properly, you follow the steps provided. A couple of the companies that do this are Ledger, Trezor. Those are probably the 2 most popular ones. And for software wallets, I would say Exodus for computer and Jax for mobile, Jax.io. They give you your private keys and you're able to do a lot of cool stuff with it. So Ledger, Trezor, those are hardware wallets. They're, again, just basically thumb drives. When you unplug it, your flash drive is off. Okay. When you plug it in, it's on. And then your coins become online. So this way, when it's actually more secure because you have to enter certain pins and codes, and then the software that accompanies it that goes on your computer that you have to download either keeps track of a live portfolio of it, or will just allow you to access the cryptocurrency, send, receive, and exchange the coin for other coins. So that is a offline hardware wallet. Now, another offline wallet would be paper. Now, this is an advanced option. okay, you basically get a square piece of paper, print it out, it has the QR code, has the public key, and a private key on it. So you never want to share the private key, right? But this is the public key. So people can scan the QR code, or you can just give them the public key, but you got to manually type it, right? This is a piece of paper. It's the most secure from a digital standpoint, but if this is the only one that you have, you better lock this up in a vault. You better lock it up in a vault, because that piece of paper gets destroyed, there's no way for you to recover your cryptocurrency. With the software wallets and an offline hardware wallet, there's a little bit more to it that you can kind of recover it. For a software wallet, there's passphrases, private keys that you can just copy and paste. Offline, same thing, there are some codes that you can use, and there's passphrases and stuff, but with an offline wallet, you don't get that option, neither with an exchange. So I would recommend using one of these two. Make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you download wallets from a reliable source. Don't have any people phishing for your private keys or anything like that. That's just them trying to hack you. So this is what I recommend. The Ledger Nan Os is actually the most popular, I believe, and that runs 79 euros. Last time I checked, 79 euros. So not a bad investment to keep your cryptocurrency safe. These other software wallets are free. You never have to pay for a wallet unless you're actually purchasing hardware. So make sure that you know what you're doing. You can research the wallets before you actually get involved. I recommend doing that, but that's how you kind of get started storing your cryptocurrency safely.